Looking for an email address of someone? Come here. Let me show you. I know it is a difficult thing to do, whether you are in the field of internet marketing or not. You really need to spend numerous hours in order to get the exact email address to contact. But that's not what we are going to talk about. If you are still with me, I'll show you how it's done as promised. Introducing EmailFinder. Today, your huge amount of time spending in search for the exact email address can be done in just one click. Amazing, right? Want to know more? Let's go check this review. Features. Front-end features. Plus one-click software finds anyone's email address. Plus find and download business leads from Facebook. Plus get business leads from Google. Plus uncover social profiles and even personal email address of anyone you want to reach out or do business with. Plus perfect for cold sales and intro emails. Plus create virtual lists for prospecting. Plus add unlimited leads to unlimited lists. Photo 1 Pro version features. Plus Pro version uncovers hundreds of email addresses from a single domain. Means you can find email addresses of employees working at any company or business. Plus spam words checker tool. Plus spam score checker tool. Plus email countdown tool, countdown inside email. Plus email formatter. Plus email extractor from any kind of content. Plus headline generator, get 300 plus headlines for articles text. Plus email ideas generator, niche-based subject line ideas. Plus email verifier tool, verify 1,000s of emails in seconds. Download EmailFinder now. How does it work? This is super easy, I can guarantee you. In this video, you just have to follow the 3 simple steps. Good points. Doesn't require technical skills. Time saver. Responsive technical support. Profitable. Bad points. Need fast internet connection. Need to contact support desk if there is any unknown drawbacks. Conclusion. There you have it. You are now one click away to end your problem in searching for the exact email address. Get your copy of EmailFinder here.